Get out of the car now, you're gonna get tased!
Just after midnight on April 1st, 2025, a Stanislaus County Sheriff's deputy pulled over a driver for allegedly running a red light in Patterson, California.
Evening. Deputy Allen Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop tonight is because of the red light you just ran on Del Porto right here, okay? Do you have a license, registration, proof of insurance? What was the purpose of going through the red light? Huh? I can't understand you, dude.
I live right here. You can look up the registration on the computer.
Do you have the insurance? Are you still in?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? What's your current address?
Right here.
What is it? Can you speak up, please?
The street we're on right now?
I'm asking for mailing purposes for your citation.
Well, I just told you.
I'm just confirming it with you, okay? I don't understand why we gotta have an attitude right
I don't
now.
have attitude. I'm
You
talking
do.
perfectly fine.
You
say
clearly
you can't
do.
hear me. You hurry up, go about your business, man. You tripping.
You're on probation or parole?
You can look up all that. Since you think
Okay,
I'm on
this
probation.
can go either one of two ways. Number one is you can just be respectful and we can move on with our business.
I just told your bitch ass that you can look it up.
Yeah. And that's being disrespectful.
So
You could just answer the question either yes or
You're giving me
no.
a hard time.
How am I giving you a hard time? I'm asking you a simple
You
question.
can look it up.
Are you on probation or parole?
Why I gotta be on that?
I'm asking you. I ask everybody that I
Look that shit
contact.
up then.
Why, I don't understand why we got an
Why
attitude.
don't you just do your job?
I am going to.
Okay, great. Give me my and go about your business.
Okay. Do you have an ID, ma'am?
Don't say nothing to me. You ain't gotta say you ain't driving.
Let me see your ID, please.
Bro, just do your job, yo.
Don't tell me how to do my job.
You ain't call your supervisor then.
Nope.
What?
Let me see your ID, please. You're not wearing your seatbelt in the car.
I just got home from work, man. I don't have my ID.
Huh?
I just got home from work.
You don't have it on you?
No, I don't have my ID.
You are not calling. Are you really calling 911 right now?
Yeah, call your supervisor then.
Why are you calling
Call
911?
your supervisor.
Get out of the car.
And I'm
Patterson
trying to
321.
pull over.
Send me
and
1011.
I'm asking for your supervisor and the officer.
Hang up the
doesn't
phone
want
now.
to- You hear him right now? He's trying
Hang
to
up the
get
phone or
this
you're
up
going to
on
be
the
placed
phone.
under arrest.
For what? Do
For
you hear-
misuse of 911. Hang up the
No,
phone.
I'm asking for your supervisor.
Hang up the phone right now.
Do you hear your officer? He's trying.
This is the dispatch center, sir.
Yeah, but I need help though. I don't feel safe.
Okay, and where are you located?
I'm on Street. Patterson,
321. Just for info, male is uncooperative in the car and he is calling 911 at the moment right now.
Alright, I need help please now. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna step out of the car.
No, I don't have to.
I'm telling you to step
I
out of the
don't-
car.
for what?
If you don't step out of the car,
I
I'm going
don't
to
have
place
to.
you under arrest.
For what?
For disobeying a
I
lawful
don't
order.
know you don't. I don't have to put. I don't have
If
to.
I'm
do
telling
nothing.
you, I'm giving you a lawful order and command to
You
step
don't
out of the
have no
vehicle right now.
reason. You don't have. All you gotta do is give me my ticket. You don't have to do all
Nope.
this stuff.
You're
All
act,
right,
you
yeah,
know what?
all right. I asked for your super. They're all coming right now.
Either you can step out of the car,
We'll wait till they get
or I'm
there.
going to take you out of the car and you're going to
Why?
be taken to jail
Why? Wait
for
till-
disobeying my lawful command to
You're
exit the
tripping.
vehicle right
You're
now.
Tripping. No, no. I wait till your supervisor.
Okay, you are under arrest.
You
Step
can't
out of
do
the car.
that, sir. You can't open the door.
You're under arrest.
You
Step out of the
can't
car.
open the door, sir.
What?
You can't open the door.
For what?
Do not do
415,
that,
step
sir.
it up.
For
Step
what?
out of the car
For
now.
what?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're
Do not
under arrest.
open
For
my
what?
door without the permission.
Step out of the car. You're under
Do
arrest.
not open the door.
Step out of the car. You're under
Why
arrest.
him? Why did you just hit him?
Let go of me.
What car? Hit him, you hit me, and you getting in trouble. Hit
Step
me
out
too.
of the car
Hit
now.
Hit me too.
He just attacked me for one
Oh, he just slapped you in the face twice, and I got it all on camera, so good luck, buddy. I got it all on camera. What the doing? Nah, don't even hit him, brother.
car now, you're gonna get tased. Get out of the car now, you're gonna get tased.
Stop!
Freak on.
Do it! You just shocked me too!
Get out of the car now!
You're getting fired!
Get out of the car now!
You're getting fired!
Get out of the car now, you are under arrest! Get out of the car now, you're under arrest! Put spike strips under his tires now! Hurry!
You're getting fired!
Get out of the car now, you're under arrest!
You're getting fired, bro.
Get out of the car now, you are under arrest!
Now bring out your supervisor!
Get out of the car now, you're under arrest! Step out of the vehicle now, you're under arrest! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
On camera!
Detain her. I got him. Detain her.
I can leave my phone off the wall for you. No, don't take my phone.
Do not away from me.
I got it all on camera. No, give me my phone, bro. It's fine. I have an uncle that's a lawyer. He's gonna.
Pretty good. We got 2 detained now. Go ahead and start
I
loading
want
for
to
150
make sure I have my
feet.
phone.
I'm good. 10:35.
I have the right.
Sit up on your butt. Stand up.
If we was one-on-one, you took off all that right here, and you thought, let's punch each other in the face then. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept?
No, that's
'cause
not
you a
what I
bitch.
want to do with you.
Exactly.
This is not what I want to do at all.
No, that's what you want. You want to do
I don't know why you'd want to do that with
Because
me.
you punched me in my face.
That's
now I
not
want
right.
to punch you in your face.
Okay.
You want to attack me, so let's fight. Take your right. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept? No, because you
Are you asking me that right now?
because you a
Are you asking me that right now?
yeah.
Okay.
Take off
Face the
the handcuffs and do
Face
you
the car.
legally challenge? Exactly. Like, bro, you act all tough when nobody around, but when
Is anybody around right now? Am I
we at
acting
the
tough with you
hospital.
right now?
Because it's lights. There's people around. When there's nobody around, you tough and you a whole nother guy. Your whole demeanor changes.
Okay.
Joshua Rhodes was transported to a hospital for treatment before being taken into custody. He was charged with felony resisting arrest by force, obstructing a peace officer, and battery on a peace officer. His passenger, Eliana Barraza, was charged with obstructing a peace officer. Court records show both later entered pleas in their respective cases in January 2026. The cell phone video Barraza recorded spread rapidly online and drew widespread criticism of the deputy's use of force, prompting the Stanislaus County Sheriff's Office to release the deputy's body-worn camera footage to provide additional context. A use of force expert who reviewed the footage for a local news station concluded the deputy acted within the law, citing Rhodes' refusal to comply with repeated commands to exit the vehicle. Others, including community advocates, disagreed. The incident sparked protests and renewed calls for police accountability throughout Stanislaus County. Local advocacy groups, including the NAACP and Valley Improvement Projects, organized Know Your Rights workshops in response, while the Stanislaus County Sheriff's Office opened an internal administrative review into the deputy's actions.